I'm going to be doing something a little different, as you've seen in the last couple episodes, and what I said a couple weeks ago, I'm going to be doing some more inside cooking stuff. And since I'm only a couple days, what's today? Tuesday. So 6 days, whatever, 5 days, whatever, till Christmas Eve, I am going to be making George Washington's eggnog recipe that I got off of another channel that I watch, Tasting History with Max Miller. Link in the description. So I'm going to be doing this George Washington eggnog recipe, but I cut everything in a quarter. Except for the sherry, because I couldn't find sherry in Valdez. Nor could I find dark rum, so I had to go with just Bacardi Gold, because that's all I could find. So, this recipe, what I have for me, 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 4 tablespoons sugar, 4 eggs, ½ cup brandy, ¼ cup whiskey, ¼ cup rum. There's supposed to be some sherry in there, but like I said, I can't find sherry. And then just a pinch of nutmeg. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to mix our 3, should be 4, I know, our 3 liquors together, and yeah, go from there. So first one I got here is I got E&J Brandy, because that's what I could find. So this is ½ cup. Just going to pour ½ cup into the measuring cup here. There's ½ cup. And we're just going to put into the bowl. Now we're going to do ¼ cup whiskey. It's a rye whiskey, not just regular whiskey. It calls for rye whiskey. Luckily, I was able to find a Jack Daniel's rye. Once again, like I said, Valdez, Alaska, we don't exactly have a lot of options. There's a liquor store, so whatever they have is what I have. So ¼ cup. Add that to my thing. And then a ¼ cup, like I said, Bacardi Gold, because I couldn't find any dark rum there. So we'll add a ¼ cup of that. Boom. There we go. We got our liquors in there. So we're going to set this aside. And now we're going to separate our eggs. So we're going to separate our eggs into the yolk and the... So with this, you're going to be kind of careful. You're going to want to crack your egg as lightly as possible and try to get a good round cut for what I am about to do. Alright. Just got my egg. Like I said, I want to separate the yolk from the whites. Boom. There's one. So next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put our eggs in a bowl. Let's zoom out a bit on that. Our egg yolks, be specific here. We're going to put these into a bowl. I gotta scrape out the rest of that there. There it is. And basically we're just going to beat these with beaters until they are no longer dark yellow, but more like a goldish yellow. A light yellow. Alright, so I think that's good. Now we're going to basically beat in my sugar. So we have our eggs and our sugar combined. Now we're going to combine in the cream and the milk. Now that we got our cream, our whole milk, egg yolks, and our sugar mixed together, we're going to add in the 3 liquors and mix that up as well. Now that we have our egg yolk, sugar, cream, milk, alcohol mixture, concoction mixed up thoroughly, we're going to put it aside for a moment and take our egg yolks and we are going to beat them silly until they form nice stiff peaks. So if you're using, like I am using I only have one mixer, so I washed and dried off both my beaters pretty thoroughly. So we'll hook these up and give it a go. So, like I said, we're going to beat up the egg yolks. So as you can see, I beat up those egg yolks till a nice stiff peaks have been forming. And from what it says, last step is simply to incorporate the egg yolks into the liquid mixture. According to the instructions I've been reading, this is supposed to sit in the fridge for a couple of days, but you're supposed to taste it a couple times. I don't know what I'm tasting for, but also that it is good to go right now. So I'm going to add a pinch of nutmeg onto my cup of eggnog. Going to ladle some of this into my cup. Really need a ladle. Alright. So, it's pretty boozy. Definitely not what you're going to get at the store. This tastes way different. I would say it's much lighter than what you get at the store. It's much lighter. It definitely has a little different flavor. Besides all the booze, of course. And that's pretty good. That is a good one. But I'm going to put it into some Tupperware, and like I said, put it in the fridge, and we'll give it a go here in another couple days.